This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401 BMBS is a Class C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Forest River is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Black Diamond Walnut marble interior, sleeps 6, CO detector, Skylight, TV antenna, water heater, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, awning, oven, stovetop burner, TV, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401 BMBS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.